weren't just getting solutions, but practicing them.
It was authentic. Ingrid was so real, created the tone and the setting that you would hope coming into something like this. I think it was the actual practicing of the coaching. I think sometimes she clarified when she introduced what we were going to be doing with that. She said, this is not role playing, you're going to do actual coaching. And I think that was incredible. So you got to go through this kind of coaching growth in a very, like in a 1 day period. It was real, authentic, and practical application of the skills we were learning.
Just simply extremely impressed with the workshop and the energy that Ingrid, the way she facilitated it was really impressive.